Too much reflection, guys. This is how it looks like mounted on the tripod. Very cool. So happy. That's the adapter for the model LRF. You'll need the adapter, mounting adapter. Nice. It's stable. It's cool. And right now I connect it to my tablet. See how cool is that? And outside this rainy day, so I notice the best options. See now the difference. I'll try to show you. This screen's too reflective. Okay, let's see. I got ultra, look at the trees now, look at the pictures. Now high. See the difference? And now normal. Now it's high. And now we have, come on. Okay, normal, see, it's nasty, no details. Next one will be high, you're getting some details, and now ultra's gonna fix everything. See how pretty is that one, nice. That's rainy day, guys, and the distance to the building, to this building here is like, let's check it out, 800 meters, I guess. So reflective this tablet screen. Okay, like this. I wanna measure now. Let's see. Scan. $880. Cool. This truck is killing me. So cool. Nice pictures, little bit zoom in, just little bit. Ultra, everything's on. Nice. Yeah, really nice. And that kind of weather, almost 1 kilometer away, rainy outside. This is the building. That one. 880 meters. Okay, guys. This is what I want to show you. Wi-Fi is working good, connection is good, everything's perfect. And I still have lots of battery, I was playing a couple of days. Still good. Yeah, I like the pictures though. What do you think? Okay, see you in the next.